Hi everyone, this is a quick video on refund lodged and not received, which means in case your tax return has been lodged with a refund, we or any other accountant, they have told you that you will be getting some refund, maybe $3,000, and you gave your bank account, and it has been 2 months, it has been 3 months, it has been 6 months, can be any time. You have not received any refund. So what does that mean? Well, first of all, you have to check whether your return has been actually lodged with ATO or not. Normally, accountants lodge it. If they say we will lodge it, normally they will lodge it. And if they have lodged it, why you have not received the refund? Okay, there can be few reasons for that. One of the reason is under process. It can be 3 months, your return was lodged, 6 months, it's still under process. You call ATO, ATO says it's still under process. Can be any reason, maybe they are checking something, checking your employment, checking your income. They can take as much time as they want. The second reason is your return is cancelled. Why your return is cancelled? Because they have some information based on which they have cancelled your return. Maybe you have extra income, or your employment details are wrong, or it can be any other reason. When return is cancelled, you have to find out the reason of cancellation and then you lodge it again. Okay, so they have cancelled your return. Second thing, then third is ID fraud. Someone did a fraud on your ID earlier, they are keeping your return on hold. They want you to call them because they want to identify you. They want to check if you have done the tax return or someone else. So it's called identity fraud. They want to check. So in that case, you have to call tax office, identify yourself, and you have to tell them, yes, you have done it, so please process my return. Okay, the next is amend ATO. ATO has amended your return. For example, you lodge your tax return only with the salary income, but as per ATO information, you also had a business income or some interest income which you did not include. So ATO has amended the return. Your refund was $1,000. They added income on that, and when they amended, you got a zero refund, or you had to pay some tax. Very common. So ATO has amended themselves. The tax agent has not amended. ATO has amended themselves, and you're getting zero refund. That's why you did not get a refund. And the last is, when you lodge your return, you were expecting a refund, but you did not get a refund because you had a debt. You may or may not be aware, it doesn't matter. As per government records, you have a debt with Centrelink, with child support, or even with tax office. They re-raised the old debt. When you lodged it, they re-raised it. So Centrelink, child support, or ATO debt, or maybe any other debt, you had a debt, they took your entire refund. That can be a reason that you did not get any refund. Okay, in case you are in that situation, we have lodged your refund and you have not received it, just email us or call us and we can check it, and we will let you know that you have not received your refund yet because you are under one of these situations. It can be any situation, but that is very rare. It's only about 2 or 3% of the clients, but this happens, that you have lodged your return and it has been 3 months, 4 months, ATO has not processed it. So it can be one of those reasons. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.